welcome back to In the Kitchen with Rosa. So today I'm going to be making chicken enchiladas in my Instant Pot. Real simple dish, really good. So I'm going to teach you guys what I do first. Well, those are the little chickens. Those are chicken strips that I got on sale for $1.69. So that's why I bought a bunch of it. Because you can make all different kinds of recipes with that. So, oops, almost cut myself. I'm first going to chop up some onions. So put in the Instant Pot. My little mini green pepper. I need a green pepper. I just went to get the ones in my garden because I don't have none. So even though these are not big, they aren't ready, but I need green pepper. So whatever. I picked them too early. So I'm going to chop some green peppers. I already have the Instant Pot on saute, on high. Okay. I'm going to put some olive oil in the Instant Pot. Oh. Like 2 tablespoons. Seasoning, salt. Put some salt. The chicken's already clean, so you just have to salt it. Little fork. You hear that? That's calling for these peppers. I'll put this pepper and onion inside here. You can add garlic if you want. But guess what? I don't have garlic. I'm also going to add some, my favorite sofrito that I always add to everything. As a matter of fact, I need to buy more. I'm in love. I mean, I need to make more. I don't buy this. Okay. I need some seasoning. I'm going to get some sazon. I use this mostly on everything. My favorite. Season the chicken. A bit more. That's good. Let's go check on what's going on over there. Make sure these onions are pepper. Okay. For the liquid, I'm going to add maybe like a half a cup of water and some chicken bouillon. So the water can have like if it's chicken stock. And I'm going to put some taco sauce in here. It's already smelling good. Make those onions and pepper get a little bit soft. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. I see a lot of people watch them. So I'm glad people are watching it. That's why it encourages me to make more. Because I love sharing my cooking experience with people. Because I watch a lot of cooking videos myself. Because I love watching them. Especially people that know what they're good with. I like watching. Now I'm putting the chicken inside. Let it brown a little bit on each side. Okay, just let it sit there. Then after a few minutes, once it's brown on both sides, I'm going to add some taco sauce. This is what I had in improvise, please. Guess what? Yes, I'm going to add some of these taco sauce. Just a little bit. I like to give it a little. Smells good. Okay. And now I'm going to put a little bit of water. Okay, a little bit of chicken bouillon. I found this at the store. This is so cool because it's already, you know, just powder. I love it. It's about a teaspoon. That's it. Like, that's very small chickens. It's gonna cook very fast. So we're gonna turn off the saute, cover this, put it on seal, and 4 minutes. This chicken should, well, let's give it an extra minute, 5 minutes. Okay, that's it. So it's 5 minutes in the Instant Pot, and once it's done, we'll release it, and we'll shred it, and then we'll add them to the enchiladas, and then I'll show you what's the next step. See you soon. Okay, welcome back. So the chicken beeped and it's all ready. So let's go to the Instant Pot and see what's going on in there. I already released the pressure, so oh, it looks yummy. It smells good. So all the chicken is all done. Let's see. I'm gonna get a bowl. So we need that chicken to take it out and shred it for the enchiladas. Nice and that. Good. I saw this lady on YouTube. She shredded the chicken with a hand mixer. I thought that was such a cool idea. It's easier than just trying to do it with a fork all the time. But I ain't going through all that right now. Because I ain't taking out my mixers and all that. That's, to me, is just dirty more stuff. But it was a good idea. But I do it with 2 forks. To me, that's easy. And this chicken is so tender. See? This time I'm going to use my oven, but just to heat them up, heat the enchilada and melt the cheese in there. So once I roll them up, I put the sauce on top and just stick them in the oven for about 10 minutes. And we'll have some nice enchiladas. I'm already cooking my rice, but you guys know how to cook that because I already made rice before. I showed you guys how to make some rice, which is very easy. So what I usually do, once I get the meat all shredded, I put it back inside the Instant Pot with that sauce that's in there and put a little bit on saute just so it could get a little bit of color, and so that sauce could, you know, get inside this chicken too. I'm sure this chicken tastes good. It smells really good. Almost done shredding it. Okay, so the chicken is all shredded. Now it's time to go put it back in the Instant Pot for just to mix it a little bit with this sauce in here. I'll press saute just. Okay. There you go. Now it's gonna have all the juices of that sauce that was on the bottom of this pot. See that? Yum yum. So now I could take it out of here. Turn this off. I'm just gonna take the whole Instant Pot with me. Let me get a, well, the liner, not the Instant Pot. I guess something to carry it. Oh wait, I always forget that I have these and they're meant for my Instant Pot, but I always forget to use them. So this little gadget, you pick them up and you don't get burned. They sell this in Amazon. I mean, they sell it everywhere, but I got it in Amazon, a whole package for like 20 bucks when they were having one of their great deals. Okay, first of all, let me taste this. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to set one, how I set one up first. Where's my cheese? Okay. So I take one enchilada, take some of this nice chicken, yeah, I know I'm not cheap with the chicken. I like to taste chicken. Take a little bit of cheese. And then, sounds like, and then you go like this, you fold them, and then you turn them over like this. I usually turn them over, like that's easier. That's it. And I'm gonna do 6. And then once you're done, all done wrapped up, you put the sauce, the red sauce on it, and then you put some cheese, and you just put it in the oven for like 10 minutes, and you got some chicken enchilada. So once everything's completely done, I'll show you the end results. Okay? Okay, so I just took out the chicken enchiladas from the oven. I put them on 400 for like 10 minutes. And here's the end results. Yum, yum, yum. So it's going to be served with some brown rice and some tomatoes on the side. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned a lot from my video. Like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or any comments. If you see any suggestions or anything. So thank you for watching, and bye.